Did you know that what's on your plate can determine how you feel, think, and live? Welcome to Kitchen Hospital. Today, we're diving deep into the concept of health on your plate, how the right foods can transform your body and mind. Stay tuned for practical tips to upgrade your meals for a healthier you. The power of nutrition. The saying "you are what you eat" holds more truth than we realize. A balanced plate provides essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that fuel our body, boost immunity, and prevent chronic diseases. The goal? Eat the rainbow. Bright, colorful foods mean a variety of nutrients. Whole grains, fiber for digestion. Leafy greens, rich in iron and calcium. Healthy fats, omega-3 for brain health. So, what does the perfect plate look like? Here's the breakdown. 1. 50% vegetables and fruits, think spinach, broccoli, carrots, berries, and oranges. 2. 25% whole grains, choose quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat bread. 3. 25% protein, opt for plant-based sources like lentils, tofu, or lean meats like chicken. 4. Healthy fats, a drizzle of olive oil, avocado slices, or a handful of nuts. A pro tip: avoid processed foods and sugary drinks that add empty calories without nutrients. Foods for a healthier you. Here are some superstar foods to include on your plate. 1. Turmeric, reduces inflammation and boosts immunity. 2. Spinach, loaded with iron, magnesium, and vitamins. 3. Avocado, packed with healthy fats for glowing skin and a sharp mind. 4. Berries, antioxidant-rich for a youthful body. 5. Fermented foods, improve gut health with kimchi, yogurt, or sauerkraut. Superfoods equals super health. The mind-body connection. Your plate isn't just about physical health, it impacts your mind too. Studies show that eating whole foods can improve mood and mental clarity. The gut-brain connection plays a big role, so nurture it with probiotics and fiber-rich foods. Also, don't rush your meals. Mindful eating allows your body to digest and absorb nutrients better. Easy steps to a healthier plate. Ready to transform your plate? Start with these simple steps. 1. Plan your meals in advance to include all food groups. 2. Shop local and seasonal produce for maximum freshness. 3. Experiment with herbs and spices to add flavor without extra calories. 4. Hydrate. Water completes your balanced diet. Your plate is your powerhouse, fill it with foods that energize and heal you. Remember, health starts with the choices we make every day. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more health and nutrition tips. See you next time.